Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam and get a chance to get 100% scholarship and cash awards for class 7 to 12. Admissions are open for repeaters medical for NEET 2023.
Every alternative house has got a dengue and chikungunya, and we are facing a lot of problems. Chikungunya, there is no vaccine, but at the most what we can do is keeping the premises clean. But go to see the garbage issue that is rising high in Rundamal is not in anyone's hands. But Panchayat, the authorities can take it in hand. They do it only for a week wise, but this cleaning has to be done in a daily basis and keep the premises clean so that public also can manage. They come once in a before elections or after elections and they finish it. And the problem that is we are facing is the common people who are facing the chikungunya. And every alternative house is got. So what is the solution? If the Panchayat can come and clear all the garbage everywhere and clean the gutters and close the gutters. All the gutters in Rundamal are open and there is no solution to it. Only Panchayat can help us. There are a lot of mosquito breeding because the plants have been not cut. Even if they are coming with a machine, but after cutting the machine, they are not cleaning it up. So again the mosquitoes breed there and then the water falls and then the water log is there because you have not cleaned what you have chopped.
इतनी गंदी बास बैठ नहीं सकते हम लोग गैलरी में थोड़ा चाय के कप और किधर कितना कचरा लाते इधर फेंकते ही जाते हैं लोग। बस हो गया।
ये आपका गांव का है क्या?
बस इधर ही गाँव का है किधर का है पता नहीं, किधर से आके उड़ाती जाती है। हम लोग तो नहीं उड़ाते, हम लोग का तो हम लोग जितना हुआ हम लोग जला जाते हैं जलाते हैं।